Alright, so now on this video, this is our first video now that we filmed after the first one. Here we have the original value of 2K for R18. Now we should have, right now we have the board enabled because our command from the regulator is 6.24, and again with adjustment of right now we have the span and bias at 100%. We have 2.4 duty cycle of TP8, and that shows what the signal should look when we have a full output. Alright, Tony, so let's go ahead and come back. And we're going to pay special attention when SIG HI is stop at 3/4 of a volt, please. Just to show that, oh, that's right, the problem here is that
the problem is we never
right,
get there.
Yeah, and that's what Jim reported. It's 1 volt. Here we're never inhibited because we're above the original 0.5.
Look at the delay angle.
And yeah, we can show the delay angle here.
53.8.
53.8, and of course we could always try to minimize that, but the problem that we came up with yesterday is that no matter what we do, there it is, right, Tony?
It'll always be enabled.
You'll always be enabled, and there is a big step when you come. Well, you will always be enabled, and now we were able to minimize or to maximize that duty cycle, but the problem was that this is probably going to generate a step from the time that you inhibit to the time that you're high.
See that big jump?
So go ahead and bring it back down.
So we're gonna go full on, and then we'll adjust the span. Right there, so he's set.
Okay, and go ahead and bring it back. So this is a 6.23, and you got that 2.3 duty cycle. Now you're coming down, and then here the problem is that of course you never
go to zero.
You never go to zero because your SIG HI is greater than half a volt, and yet you have 97.5 degrees. So what we did with the modification that we suggested for R18 is to basically inhibit before 1 volt, and then just make sure that you have a smooth transition when you have 1 volt, so that you have the minimum output.